Tonhub wallet. So here it is. You can just go and install it. It's one of the best Ton wallets out there. There is also, of course, Tonkeeper, and there is My Ton wallet by Tonhub. Seems it's pretty good alternative. If you want to try it out, you can also connect it to Telegram, send, receive, store, or stake Ton coin on the Ton blockchain. No registration or personal information required to get started. Compatible with all existing Ton wallets. Ton is a network designed for speed and throughput. Fees are usually significantly lower than on other blockchains, and transactions get confirmed in a matter of seconds. So there you have it. You just open it up, and then you just create your account, and you have your wallet in the top part. You can also just add wallet, and here you have three options. You can just add a new wallet, so create a new wallet. I already have one, or connect ledger. So for example, on the next screen, usually you will just see your backup phrase. It's important to save it somewhere, because without it, you won't be able to recover your wallet. You won't be able to import it. And then basically, then you just have your address, where you just see your Ton wallet address. You can just copy it, you can send. And then balances, you can see balances, and then stake. So there are all the staking pools. You can see the rates here. And then you just stake in here. Then there are wallets. So wallet name, change avatar. Then you have your history. If you see a transactions history, then you have browser, where you can just have all access to all of these different apps, and Ton marketplaces. So, and then there's security, spam filter, address format, and then you can just also delete your account. So super easy app. It's very easy to use, and you can add it with Notcoin, with Telegram. So it's one of the well-known wallets in Ton. So that works.